Hello viewers, we are so happy to be live at the site of the second Niger Bridge. I am Okonkwo Cyprian, reporting for 360 TV station. Here with me, if you look down, you can see the second Niger Bridge. The project is a reality, it's ongoing. It is not a kangaroo or one of the things of APC. It is a reality. We are here live to see the work and how the work is going. And I can tell Nigerians that under the leadership of Muhammadu Buhari, the second Niger Bridge to the southeast is ongoing. We want to use this medium to let the world to also know that second Niger Bridge has come to stay. If you move down there, you can look up there, you see the trucks from the Julius Berger live at the project site. If you move down, you see that works are going on there, and we are so excited. On the second Niger Bridge investigation about the project. With me is a resident of Oko village, the Oko community in Delta State. Yoba, okay. Onye be ka ebukwa no.
Amo Anambra. Onye Anambra.
Kedu ka isi pụta ọlụ Niger Bridge, second Niger Bridge? Ọ dị ka ọlụ a ọ dị ka adị serious, ọ dị ka ọ bụrụ politics ka eji ọlụ eme?
Well, n'ebe mụ anọ ka nsi afụ ka ha si alụ dị ọlụ. Ọ bụrụ ọlụ politics. Since even ka mmiri agbalụ self ha nọkwa ọrụ duto ebe ha ka base go now bụ the road, that is to contact the road to the other side. Then ebe ha lụrụ before mmiri abịaba, then ebe ahụ dị very deep, so for any other thing if I want to know ebe ahụ na bụrụ ka ha kwụsị till mmiri weta, and now ha ebido go feel a better place. You can't say from us to say the fact. You all the door. Since over 2 or 3 weeks ago now, equipment in our but of that's had the serious now.
So no got to run na the mother gave you use the bridge.
Let's believe that.
If you are no amateur election,
even Nigeria, no election will go like this. I think everything is serious, and then make no because it's serious. But after election, I don't just go weekend. But to me, my prayer of no to hasi when I got day before yesterday, can then put the equipment. Actually, fly over here. Day before yesterday, came the equipment and yesterday had another equipment. So for my own belief, I believe in within some years to come, they make use of the second Niger Bridge.
Okay. Ndiba nyuna fune na olilanyado. Olilanyado na under the leadership of our able president, President Muhammadu Buhari. That the second Niger Bridge will soon be a reality to the southeast. Always tune in to 360 TV, so you can be able to get the updates on second Niger Bridge from day one.